Devastating floods have left thousands of families in Assam without food, clean water, shelter, and essential supplies. Rahbar Foundation has already started emergency relief, but many families are still waiting for help. Your donation of $50, $100, $250, or any amount can provide food, clean water, medicines, and emergency relief. Donate your zakat and sadaqah to support families in need and earn rewards from Allah. Donate online at www.rahbarfoundation.org or contribute securely through Zelle, donate.rahbarfoundation@yahoo.com or Venmo @rahbarfoundation. Every contribution brings hope to another family. Thank you to our donors, volunteers, supporters, and community leaders. Together, we can save lives, restore hope, and serve humanity. May Allah reward your generosity. Ameen.